everyone! 안녕하세요. 오늘은 찜닭 만들 거예요. I've been feeling like 찜닭 for a while now, so I thought I'd make it today for dinner. And if I have time, I'm gonna make some oy gochujang to go with it. I started off by cleaning the chicken thoroughly before parboiling it. Today I followed Pek Jong-won's recipe, and he suggests parboiling the chicken first. I'm a big fan of Pek Jong-won. His recipes are easy to follow and always taste delicious. 조금 망했어요. I parboiled the chicken for a little bit too long because I was distracted with cutting the vegetables. It's alright, it's not the end of the world, but the chicken might not absorb the sauce of the Jjimdak very well. 괜찮아요. It will still be delicious. My husband will never know. And now it's time to make the sauce.
자, 이제 재료가 다 준비되면 본격적으로 양념장을 만드는 거죠. 간장부터.
I added less sugar than the recipe recommended because I think matsul is already sweet. This is my secret ingredient. Don't tell anyone else. Just kidding, this is chamgiram. Now it's time to move over here and start cooking. How beautiful is this pot? It was a gift from my mother-in-law.
Hello.
Hello, my precious. Now while this is cooking, I'm gonna make gochujang. I saw this recipe on YouTube and I've been wanting to try it for such a long time. I didn't know what to cook along with the jjimdak, so I thought I'm just gonna try the gochujang today. I wanna check if the red one is spicy. If it's not, I might add another gochujang. That is spicy. I literally just touched my tongue and it's burning, so I'm not gonna add any more. I like spicy stuff, but I wanna enjoy my jjimdak, so I don't want my mouth to burn too much. I still have to put gochu and caramel in, but I'm gonna test it now. So now I'm gonna get started on the jjang. I didn't film it, but I actually added in green onion because I thought it would give it extra flavor and a touch of salt. 만들어 보자. Right and dirty. I don't want to burn these. Ooh. Let me taste it one more time. Oh my gosh. 너무 완벽해요. 와, 너무 맛있어요, 진짜. 진짜 맛있어. I soaked these noodles for quite a while, and I need to add them into the jjimdak. And I have some tok. I also soaked it in water. Oh my gosh. No, don't burn, please. Oh my gosh, please don't be burned. Please don't be burned. 다행이다. Oh, 다행이다. Cooking two dishes at the same time is so difficult. Trying not to burn something or not to make a mistake, and also trying to finish them both on time so you can eat hot food. Oh, I need to defrost the rice. I almost forgot. I need to make a quick sauce for the jjang. 간장 조금. 식초 조금. Actually, I really like 식초. 그다음에 a bit of 고춧가루.
잘 먹겠습니다.
뭐? Why are you looking at me like that? 밥 안 좋아? 맛있어.
Before is super sweet.
오늘 괜찮아?
오늘 괜찮아. 오늘 진짜 맛있는데? 맛있어.
There was so much soup, but the soup is gone into the noodles.
안 좋아?
어, 괜찮아요. But you like soup, right?
맛있어. 진짜 잘했어.
진짜?
다 먹었어?
Chicken only has 2 legs.
다 먹었어? 알았어.
오, 먹어보세요. On YouTube, I found this recipe.
맛있어? 뭐야 이거?
어때? 안 좋아?
좋아.
진짜?
응.
It's oil 고추 and 고추.
맛있는데?
도둑놈.
뭐?
You are. You always steal my food. 근데 김치 다 먹었어요. 그래서 김치 소스 먹어야 돼요. 진짜 맛있어.
감사합니다.
I know you like the noodles. I think 조금 더 있어.
안 보여야 되는데. 감사합니다.
He's hiding the bones here. Everything? 뭐 했어?
안 먹었어.
너무 먹었어.
안 먹었어.
I like Jjimdak 진짜. 와 진짜 맛있어. 이거?
I think
음?
little more spicy.
It's good?
Really,
아,
I think. Like 불닭볶음면.
that much spicy you want?
If do that is really delicious. I think.
알았어. 다음에 Jjimdak 만들 거야.
다 먹었다.
진짜? 야채 먹어야 되는데.
야채 먹는 거 아니야.
어허. For your health, for your health. 아 이거 진짜 맛있어. 맥주 먹고 싶어.
주십시오 맥주.
맥주 먹을까?
I have coke.
그거 물.
맥주.
You want a drinking glass? Or? 아하! 먹고 싶어 치킨? 드세요 제발.
알았어.
왜냐하면 배불러요 벌써. Baby, you don't know how to pour beer? Why are you pouring the beer like that?
맛있겠다. 아니야 근데 inside
응?
버블
응?
아파.
연병.
드라마 보고 아주 못된 말만 배워가지고. 어? 드십시오.
This recipe is really good.
고맙습니다. I knew it.
아 너무 배불러.
잘 먹었다.
많이 안 먹었어요, 언니.
나는 많이 먹었어.
잘했어. 오늘도 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다. 바이바이.